Hello and thanks for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, Accessing the Device Manager, I'm going to show you how you can access the Device Manager so that you can see all of the devices, most commonly your Steno machine or modem if you're a captioner, to see if they're installed and functioning correctly. Like many features in Windows, there are several different ways to access the Device Manager. First, I'll show you how to do it through Eclipse. I can go to my user settings, to the Input tab, and if I have Real-Time From set to COM port, I can hit Setup, and then Device Manager. Here I can find my writer in the Ports section, or if I have a USB writer, I can find it listed here as well. If I set Real-Time From to USB port, when I hit the Setup button now, the Device Manager will open directly since there are no other second set of settings to set for the USB port selection. And so no matter how your writer connects, whether it creates a COM port or uses the USB port connection, you can use the Setup button to access the Device Manager. If I have USB port selected again and hit Setup, the Device Manager simply opens. However, if I have COM port selected, I can hit Setup and then Device Manager to call upon it. Additionally, if you're setting up a real-time output format, in the output format box, if you have COM device selected, you can hit Setup and then Device Manager again to check on those COM port output settings. However, there may be times where you need to access the Device Manager outside of Eclipse, or you may just want to. Without Eclipse open, I can still access the Device Manager. From your Windows desktop, you can right-click on your Start button and choose Device Manager. You can also click the Start button and type Device Manager and select it from the list. Or you can click the Start button and access the control panel. And at the top, if you have large or small icons selected, you can select Device Manager. You can also click Start and Settings and type Device Manager to open the Device Manager. And if I'd like to add a shortcut onto my desktop for the Device Manager, I can right-click, choose New, Shortcut, and in this box I'm going to type in the location where Device Manager resides according to Windows. So first I'm going to type %, WINDIR, %, /system32, /DEV, MGMT. And you see that this is one of the options in the dropdown that I can select from. And so I'll select the Device Manager executable, and I'll click Next. I'll call the shortcut Device Manager, and I'll click Finish. And once I do that, I now have an icon on my desktop that says Device Manager, and it automatically has the Device Manager icon. And when I double click on it, the Device Manager opens up for me. And so there are lots of different options on how you can access the Device Manager, whether you have access to Eclipse or not, so that you can find all of the device information that you need. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.